So you just need this code in order to get this free MTN call. So you just dial *550#. This is the code that you just need to dial. All right, good. So after that, you just go to more, which is option 8, and then you go to option 1, which is the magic number. Then you send. Okay, so here we have MTN free call offer. So you select 1, free call offer. As you can see, I have already added 1 magic number. More than 1 is not allowed. So I have already subscribed to this offer. So when you get to this point, all what you have to do is that you just enter the number that you want to call for free. It can be your mom, your daddy, your girlfriend. It's just add that number, and from that time you will be calling that person for free. But there is one thing that you guys need to know, is that this is for new customers on MTN. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.